Howdy, people. I have an audience today, a real live audience. Okay, guys, welcome back. Thanks for coming. Today we are going to talk about power banks. I'm sure you guys have at least one or two of these things floating around. A lot of people do, and I think I have 5 or 6. But the thing is that like a lot of my other videos, you'll see these are also 18650 lithium batteries, and they're only good for a year, a little over a year, depending how you treat them, and then you have a problem. So today I have 2 solutions for you. Let's go. This is an old power bank I have, and it's been sitting around for a couple of years, and I'm judging by the size of this that this has 18650s inside. So we're going to crack her open and take a look. Before anyone freaks out, this is a very dull knife, but it's still easier if I can keep this thing in my hands and not have it fly off the table. We're going to keep going round and round with this thing till we figure out how to crack it open. It might take a minute. Well, we're getting her to open up, and you can look inside and see there, those are definitely 18650s, so we were right, our suspicions are confirmed. So let's see what we can do with it. Okay, we've got it open up, and we'll go ahead and get our replacement batteries ready to roll. Okay, as you can see, these are all in parallel, and one little piece broke, so that makes it easy to line up the new ones. And this here is just a quick little clip I'm putting in here, just showing you how we are spot welding these batteries together. In case you missed it on an earlier video, this is a little clip that shows you real quick how to do it. You're more than welcome to go back and watch the whole video if you'd like. I've got these batteries put together, and it's really a matter of unhooking this one and then getting the positive and negative terminals connected back together, and we're going to try to use the tabs and not break the solder. So you can see here the positive worked out, and now we've got to do the negative. I was worried that there wouldn't be enough to spot weld on the negative, but we were able to just get it in there and to get it to connect, so we're good to go, guys. So we will get the cover put back together on this, and we should be good for, I'd say, at least another year's worth of use out of this. Keep it out of landfill a little bit longer. Okay, now it's on to part B. We've looked at how you can repair and refurbish your power banks. Now we're going to build a new one. So what we have here is an empty power bank that you can put 18650 batteries in. It just comes with the case and the controller. And we have these batteries, and they just set like you do any standard battery. You just put them in, make sure your positive and negatives line up right, and then you can just close this case back together. And this here, if you want to change the batteries out whenever, you can, or you get the choice of getting better batteries or cheaper batteries. Whatever, it allows you the flexibility to either reuse this or replace the batteries, or if you come across a case that has higher charging or better accessories or inputs, outputs, whatever, you can take your 18650 batteries out of this and put it into a new case. Anyways, this case was about $5 here, and I've seen some on Amazon in the States. They're about $10 for some of these DIY power banks, so check it out. So this particular bank has USB-C, 2 regular USBs, and like a 2.1 older USB. And it also has 2 little LED flashlights on the end. And once you figure out how to actually push the button to make them work, which this is just double clicking it, took me a second to figure it out. But that really is all there is to this. It's really, really, really simple. Just put the lid on and go. That's it. Okay, so important here, this is worth noting. You see the battery bank in the picture says it is 97% charged when there's only 2 batteries in it. The thing with this is it's only reading the voltage. So it's 1 battery or all the way full. It's not reading the capacity. It's just reading the voltage. So it's misleading as far as the capacity or how full it is. It's really just how full the batteries are there. Okay, here we have another bank. Looks very similar to the last one, but this is actually smaller. It just holds less batteries. It's a little more portable. The last one was a little big and bulky, but this is just to show you that there are different options for different sizes, or should I say for different needs. The main important thing to note here is the positive and negative, because a lot of these batteries are not labeled, and the one on the right with the little vents in it, that's positive, and the one that's flat across, that is negative. And that's the only way you can really mess this up is by putting those in backwards or mixing them. Okay guys, I hope this maybe inspired you guys to, save a battery bank you have, or to consider one of these new ones. But either way, if you got any value out of this, like, subscribe, share, any of those good fun things. Donate money to PayPal. Just kidding. All right, that's a wrap, I think, guys. We'll see you next time.